that $99 Arrma Granite. Can you beat it? Look at it go. Oh man. If you haven't caught this deal, better get on it. 10th scale for $100. You can't beat that. Not anywhere. And you get an Arrma, you get that good quality, durability basher. Ooh, gotta love me an Arrma. Hey, if y'all watch this video, let me know. Drop me a comment. Tell me what I can do to make it better. It's just a rainy day today, so we sitting at the back step playing with a new toy in the rain. We'll keep the video short. Unless y'all want to see them longer. Appreciate you watching. Peace out. I couldn't leave you there. My battery's still good. We're gonna run this thing to the empty. And then go put it on charge and do it again. I don't know how much longer it'll last. I've been running in about 20 minutes already. That's a pretty neat little puddle. Oh my God, friend, here it comes. Here we go. Whoa, whoa. Need some sound effects. Ooh, let's see what happens when I do that. Okay, let's see a little farther out. Sorry, my grill's in the way. Ground's too wet for it to wheelie. It just keeps spinning. Wish I had a jump to land in that thing. Maybe one day we'll get some ramps. Uh-oh. Huh. Starting to get a low voltage. Yep, it is. Oh, okay. We'll be back with a different truck. Man, here comes another one. Uh-oh. Okay. don't know if y'all can tell the color in this light or not, but it's like a plum crazy purple. It does good stopping. Oh. Red Cat Gen 8 V2, I think. Gen 9 V2. Let's get a little closer. I didn't realize you couldn't see that. I apologize. I got this at Hobbytown for like $2.89. I don't know if it was on sale. I liked it. I still gotta get the decals on it. Look. I like playing in the mud and the water. I'm trying to make sure I got a little something that stays when it goes, when it dries up. Might try to play tonight. I have a little night drive. It's not real dark. There's a couple lights out here, but it's just dark enough to have something with headlights. And I do not yet. I need some wider tires. This thing looks narrow. I take suggestions on that. I like the way it's bouncing. I might get out of frame a little bit here. I'm gonna pull frame back. I don't see how far I can go. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. That's small. Low voltage sound. I was playing with it last night. Yep, sure is. Okay. I guess I need to charge some batteries and I'll make another video and post tomorrow. Hit that like button if you like my videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see or what you'd like me to do. I can change some stuff. Just let me know. Y'all have an awesome day. Later.